Hello everyone. So in this PPT, let's see how a material handling system actually works in a plant layout and the workflow analysis of it. So getting into the importance of material handling in any food processing plants. So first of all, before getting into the topic material handling, we have to consider the food safety and hygiene, that whether it is compiled with GMP and the HACCP, and we have to take necessary measures for the prevention of the cross contamination that occurs in any food processing industry. And perishable and high moisture food handling will actually cause more risk during the processing, so that has to be taken much care. And we have to first of all reduce the damages, waste and the microbial growth that actually happens in any food industry. And main principles of handling of material. So first, how a material can be handled within the industry and also to the industry. So first, we have to have an organized planning and integrated layout so that the particular raw material incoming or moving of the raw material for the production process can be integrated in a very smoother manner. And the standardizations, so the food grade, that is a stainless steel 304 or 316 standardized material has to be implemented for handling the raw material or even during the handling of the processed products. So second point is the standardization, and the third one is the space utilization, how the particular space can be utilized without wasting the energy as well as the space. We have to utilize whether vertical conveying or like a tunable conveying system has to be monitored, so that considering these three principles, the particular material can be properly handled in any type of the food industry. And getting into the food specific handling requirements. So what are all the specific handling requirements we have to look into? That is in aspect of the processing and consumption or the intake. So first of all, there should be a hygienic design that is being implemented in any plant layout. That it has to be smooth, non-porous, and no services has to be provided. And the zoning should be raw, clean, ready to eat, and so it has to be ready to eat, or high care has to be maintained, and proper zoning has to be taken care. And next is the allergen segregation. So if in case dealing with any allergic kind of food materials means, that particular segregation has to be taken much care. And the sanitation must be easily implemented, that is the clean in place or the clean out place has to be properly centralized and implemented in any type of the industry, because sanitation also plays a major role in maintaining the hygiene practices in any industry. And the next, this is a workflow analysis. So far we have seen about how under what criteria the particular material can be handled in any plant layout. In coming to the workflow analysis in a plant layout, the material, people and the information flow. Next is a bottleneck identification, reduced travel and the waiting time, and the contamination risk flow. So all these steps has to be taken care, and a continuous one flow operation has to be maintained, and the first in and first out and the batch traceability also has to be taken in much care about the workflow analysis in any plant layout. So based on this hierarchical order, we can actually get into an idea how an analysis can be maintained in a plant layout for a smooth operation. Then the workflow analysis tools, that is first based on the process flow diagrams, that is from two charts travel and the distance diagrams, and also by using the ARC and the stimulation software value, and by finding out the Lean Six Sigma concepts also, we can actually all these actually comes under the work analysis, the workflow analysis tools. So based on this also, all the operations can be come into one point of control, so that there will be a smoother operation in any plant layout. Then last is the material handling system and the benefits. So by properly implementing the handling systems like use of conveyors, industrial trucks and the bulk handling by belts, roller screws, vibratory pneumatic forklifts,